Rarely in the modern history of Armagh football has a county final looked quite like this. Since St Peters first took the title back to Lurgan in 1951, leaving Killeavy dreams in tatters, there has been just one occasion when both teams have come in the position that Madden and Cullyhanna are in today, seeking a first ever senior championship title. Cullyhanna don't need reminded of the last time. 9 years ago, Kieran Higgins stood on the far post and palmed the ball to their net 5 minutes into the second half. That paved the way for the Jerry Fagan Cup to head for the Loch Shore and Mahary rather than South Armagh. Theirs lived for most of the last 30 years, but in Crossmaglen, not Cullyhanna. Cross aren't here today. They thought they would be 10 minutes into the second half 2 weeks ago, leading their neighbours by 9 points. But Cullyhanna found something in themselves and reeled it back in. Madden went the other way. They played all their football in the first half, leading champions Clonairon by 6 points at half time that barely did justice to how good they'd been. They ended up hanging on, but this is just their second ever final. The first in 98, like Cullyhanna's first in 2013, went the way of so many in Armagh, crushed by Crossmaglen. Crossmaglen aren't here today. It will be Madden's day or it will be Cullyhanna's day. That presents opportunity, and opportunity presents colour and giddiness, and will create a game of chaos and excitement. It is a wet day in Armagh. It's a rare day in Armagh. It's a day where history will be made in Armagh.